The movement concepts we'll consider here will help you develop your body memory and build appropriate reflexes to perform Nikkyo technique. It is a totally different mindset from what people usually think about the control of Aikido. By reaching the top position, you must always create the tension along the arm structure of uke. Make sure uke's arm structure is bent and the palm plate is located in the vertical position. In order to extend your perception, imagine that your hand is not limited with the fixation and you can move your hand along the forearm like a snake. Control of Nikkyo is actually not about causing pain. Control of Aikido is rather about how you create conditions for uke when they have to choose. It is okay that you may find all the presented movements unusual. And it is okay that you experience a lack of comprehension of such movements. Your natural reflexes will only cause struggle. And the mechanics of Aikido techniques are aimed to avoid struggle. Obtaining the right mindset, body structure, and positioning will allow you to practice the control of Aikido, the one we practice at the academy. Only practice can help you develop the right perception of the position so that you perform the Nikkyo control technique with greater confidence.